What if I told you you could get peace and tranquility with a rural feel with curb appeal like this?
With a backyard like this, all within a 2-minute drive to the city of Barrie. Well, stay tuned because we got all that and more all on today's episode. All right, Brent, so we're back out on Sunnydale Road. Now, this is one of my favorite locations along Sunnydale because we're right on the border of the city of Barrie and the township of Springwater. It's such a unique location. We get this incredible rural vibe, but we're a stone's throw away to Barrie and all the amenities that come along with that. Now, we've also got Barrie Hill Farms right around the corner, Vesper Hills Golf Course right around the corner, and of course, Snow Valley Ski Resort right around the corner. But for me, it's this incredible feel you get with all these mature trees and easily one of the best tree canopies you'll find in all of Simcoe County.
Yeah, that's right, Scotty. The location is absolutely fantastic, but I want to talk about what we have right here. First thing is we're on an 80 by 190 lot with all of these mature trees surrounding you completely, including your backyard. The first thing you're going to see here is some incredible curb appeal, but I want to highlight the stuff that you can't see. I'm talking roof, windows, furnace, AC. All the big ticket items have been taken care of within the last 8 years, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, you may have noticed that we've actually done a full loop of this massive circular driveway with tons of room for up to 10 cars. And Scott, what you're gonna love the most is you never have to back out of it.
Taking shots at my driving? Let's get inside before this gets ugly.
Check it out. Now, the curb appeal outside is absolutely stunning, but the best part is that the finish level inside matches it perfectly. We've got over 2,100 square feet of space here in this house, and this main floor plan is completely open with lots of natural light coming in from all of these windows. In this living room here, you're really gonna enjoy just kicking back at the end of a long day while the kids are working hard on their homework or doing their crafts at this built-in workstation. But the floor plan just keeps going right into this amazing galley kitchen.
You're gonna love the brightness of this floor plan, but for me, it's about how open it is. What will truly stick with you is this incredible kitchen. It's been fully renovated. We've got the gorgeous white shaker cabinetry, impressive hardware, countertop for days. The chef in the house is gonna absolutely love this space. The gas range, for me, it's how everything overlooks your incredible backyard through this picture window on one side, and then out into your front yard over your dining room on the other side. Now, if you can believe it, guys, there's lots more to see on this main floor, including my very favorite part of this house. But before we take you out there, let's head upstairs and check out the second level.
There's no question that the main floor of this house is absolutely stunning. But when the time comes for you to start winding down and end things for the night, this is where you want to be. Let's start with the two fantastic large size bedrooms here for your kids or your guests. And then on this side of the house, we've got your entire primary suite with a massive bedroom, huge walk-in closet, and an ensuite with a beautiful soaker tub overlooking that tranquil backyard of yours. But if this isn't enough space, you've got a bonus bedroom right down in the basement. Now, enough of up here. Let's go see what Scotty was talking about with this best room in the house.
So we're back on the main floor, and I told you there was more to it, so let's have a closer look. Now, right off the kitchen, we've got your functional items, main floor laundry, 2-piece bathroom, but then as you turn the corner, you get the incredible reveal of your not first, but second family room on its own secluded wing of the house. That gorgeous hand-scraped hardwood running from one end to the other, giving you that seamless feel. You've got a gas fireplace, the beautiful built-ins, but for me, it's this not one, but 2 walls of glass overlooking your backyard paradise. Just such a peaceful, tranquil spot to sit, or the ideal spot to entertain if you're looking for a little more space with family and friends.
Now we find ourselves here in this incredible backyard right off of the bonus room that Scott was talking about, and it all starts right here on this oversized deck built recently. Perfect spot for you, your family, and friends to hang out for those afternoon barbecues on the weekend, all while watching the kids and pets run around in this massive backyard and explore everything that they have behind you.
It's an absolute paradise back here, guys, but in addition to the space, the beautiful views, and these incredible mature trees, you've got not one, but 2 oversized sheds, both with power running to them. It just doesn't get any better than that. Keep those main garages wide open and nice and tidy. Now, guys, we've got access to the Portage Trail. Miles and miles of hiking, biking, dirt biking, whatever you like, is just out your back door here. Truly a special location, and they just don't come like this very often. We are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Springwater. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.